Yeah, hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain about in detail of LetXpath. So what is a LetXpath and how we are going to use in our automation point of view and how much usability is there. I will go in detail. So basically, LetXpath, right? A LetXpath which will help to test automation tester to quick generate and validate the text path. So it is a time saving kind of tool. So what usually we do inspecting element on the page, we need to right click and inspect it. And so by the way, we can go to the developer tool, right? So here we can go developer tool and so based on the developer tool, we can find out that a particular tag of the tag. We can see the tags, right? The HTML tag, and also we can find out that what are the unique locators, unique attributes we have that, and so let's we can write from here. So if I we know that we must know the syntax of the XPath, and we try to add the attribute of name. Suppose if I give take the name and equal to then double click and there should be a username. So it is a kind of a okay with that, but it is for example it is a simple site and where we can get easily, but there is a complex site of automation. So that time so there would be a kind of a complexity to find out that web locators. Okay, it is a kind of time consuming. So instead of that, if you use this tool has the ability to get those significant or unique locators which will provide. And how to install this tool? This tool is a kind of a plugin to the Chrome browser and Firefox browser. It is easy to install. So if you use this right, what are the benefit we used to get? So there is a kind of one is a time saving, and second is if you have a complex element, and there would be a kind of nested structure of a web locator. So to find out that it will be very useful. So example like we have a no unique locate ID and name and CSS. So that time what we have to follow the rule is we have to navigate a parent to child or a child to parent. So that kind of nested structure we have to follow, and we have to create our own XPath. So there we can save our time by using this let XPath, right? And not only that, so predefine some kind of XPath functions also which support very dynamically. Okay, so very useful, right? And also we can this tool support a multiple kind of automation tool like Playwright, Java, and Selenium Java, all those things, right? Yeah. So with the uses, right? How we can use it, right? Just you can inspect on the element. So after installing, you can just inspect on the element, and so we have a kind of here we can see the right side of this inspector developer tool. We can see here. So this is a kind of LetXpath UI. So basically, this UI talks about like a few menus. So like a XPath menu and CSS menu, access menu, and tools and about, and there is a kind of settings. So we go with the setting. So setting has the ability to select your code snippet, which language, so which type of language like Java, Playwright Java, or Playwright Node, or Selenium Java, or Selenium Python. So which will support like few more like C Sharp and Protractor. So based on that, your automation option of tool, so you can select. So currently I selected a Playwright Java. So the Playwright related code snippet, sample code snippet with locator value will be we will get. So this is a kind of one thing, and you see. So there is a after configuration, you come back here and XPath. You can just it is a text box, right? And it is has a like this let XPath tool automatically find out that there are four unique XPath. Okay, by using name. Okay, by using XPath, class based XPath, and placeholder XPath, and text based following XPath. So these are the XPaths which is identified automatically. So and also we have a kind of CSS. There are two options. Instance, there are two unique locator where we can use our build our code by using the unique one. Okay, so by using the name CSS and by using the placeholder. So, and there will be one more section. We have a tool section. You can inspect, or you can size, you can type inspect, and you can find out your how many inputs text box we have. So usually we used to do it from here, right? So in the developer tool, but this tool has ability to do from here as well. So you can see that one matching or one XPath is found. So this is the way we can find out from this one. So the about tool is not it is telling about the tool only. So let's see that. Very quickly how we can able to automate by using XPath. So these are the features, right? And one more thing I want to tell you here is that there is a core snippets. Okay, so usually we have some drop down, right? Based on that your locator. Okay, based on the locator, suppose it is the input, right? It is the input and we inspected. So this core snippet, we can see the some primary functions automatically. So this is a kind of a way it will be like that. Okay. So suppose it is a CSS. Let me reload this page and quickly inspect again. Yeah, select the XPath and you see find out. Okay, so now you can see there is a username text box and we got a core snippet. So it is a text box, right? Basically, we inspected on the user text box. So user text box, what are the ability? Primary is a primary method, primary ability is sending key, so which we need a input, right? By using send key. So send key and get methods are basically primary from these methods are from the Java Selenium. But automatically, if we select, it will change to our Playwright Java only. So let me click this send key. So you can see that it is a fill method. In the Playwright Java, it is a fill method to fill the text, any text box. And also you see the page, the core snippet we got already made. So with along with this locator, right? So along with the locator, so the code is snippet is ready, and just you can fill what data you want to do that, right? So let's see that how quickly you can automate this site. So let me go to the code. Okay, so let me create one class, Java class, right? Yeah. So I created for time being, I created a one class and which will create a Playwright object and a Chrome browser opening and opening the new page. On the new page, we are opening this open source demo HRM live application. So which means this one. So let's how we quickly automate by using the locator by using the XPath, right? XPath, LetXpath. So just you can come here and just quickly inspect it, and you can get this particular XPath and CSS. Suppose if I use CSS, I can go here and take the snapshot like sample code, and so it used to fill that as and in my case, so I can take this code directly. So you can see that this code will be ready-made, and you can put it here. So and fill that what is the username? Username is admin. So how it is? So it is automatically giving the selector which is selected in the unique name of CSS, right? Something like suppose if you take in so now let's say inspect in the password and also this time we will take the unique or placeholder base XPath. So let's take this send key and you can get the code and page dot locator and the locator is XPath and belongs to like attribute of placeholder. So take this code snippet and you come and enter this and fill it. So just fill it the what is the password for this? It is a admin123. So now there is a next action we are going to do is a clicking on the login button. Let's inspect that. Click on login button, and so you can see that this time we can take by a unique tag name. Okay, unique tag name. And this time you can see that yeah, there are few more methods like get attribute and click and get text, right? So click is a basic operation, so we used to take this one. Yeah, So in the page locator, that button and click. So now let's move and yeah. So see, we have done the action. So let me run this one and see the execution. So now the locators are 100% unique, and by this tool will provide. Okay, so this is the case. Yeah. So now it is open and it is able to log in and click on login button. Yeah. So that's all about this tool. So I hope you understood and like practice it. So thank you everyone.